Hi there, it's Jenny. I am so excited that you are here for the free 5-day challenge. So, over the course of the next 5 days, we're going to cover everything from the very beginning of how do you get your ad account set up properly, how do you get that pixel installed on your site, all the way through developing an ad plan, setting those ads live, and knowing how to not waste money on them. So first things first, we're going to create a business manager account. What a business manager account is it's a place where your Facebook page and your ad account will live. The reason I like putting both of these within a business manager account is because it just helps keep a very clean line between if you have a credit card for your business only, it helps you manage kind of the separation between your personal finances and your business finances. If someone joins your team and then leaves your team, it's really easy to be able to add people and take them off of your page and kind of manage it all in one place. So I already have a business manager account, but what I'm going to have you do is create one for yourself. So this is just like a test or a sample one. Go to business.facebook.com, click on create a business, and then you're going to click, or you're just going to type in the name of your business email address, and it's giving me an alert that I already have created one, which I know. You'll enter in all of your information here. Oh, website. All right, so you'll plug in all your personal info, and then you have created a business manager. All right, so what you need to do is now head to your email to confirm it, which is fine. And now we're in our business manager account. And so what we're going to do from here is we need to connect our Facebook page and we need to connect our ad account. Now, when you are in here, let me pull down my screen for you. So when you are in here, you'll see that you can kind of ignore these here. But you can go ahead and connect your page. So I'm going to have you click add page, add a page that you own. And then you'll go ahead, type in your Facebook page, and it will let you sync it up. I'm not going to connect mine because I already have one. Next, you have to add your ad account. Now, if you don't have an ad account, no problem. You'll simply click on create ad account. It's going to walk you through step by step adding your credit card information, and you'll be all hooked up and ready to go. If you have an ad account already, great. Click on add ad account. Again, you'll enter in your ad account ID and you'll be ready to go. Now, and then last, if there are other people that you want to add to your page, so let's say you have a business partner or maybe an intern or someone else who helps out with your page in any way, go ahead, click add people. And then you enter in their email address and you can either give them employee access or admin if they should be in charge of everything on your page. You'll just send that on off. So I can type in, it says I already have access to that. Let's just do, okay, so you can go ahead and click on give admin access if you want, and then go ahead and click next. So after this is all said and done, your ad account is all set up. It's ready to go. You are ready to start inputting ads, and it really is that simple. Now, something that is really huge, you guys, is getting a pixel installed on your website. And I know this can be scary. A lot of people are like, I don't know what a pixel is, or I've heard of it. I'm not a web developer. I don't know how to get it on my site. That is fine. Let's take a step back. A pixel helps you track everything on your website. If you want to run any kind of retargeting ads, if you want to like run ads to people who have abandoned cart, or if you want to retarget people who have been to your website, or people who have taken any action related to your page or your ad account, we're going to want to get that pixel installed. It is the number one thing that helps me with conversions with my clients, is being able to gather information on people who have interacted with ads, interacted with your website or your social media accounts. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to show you how to get the pixel installed on your site. Don't be scared. We're now within our business manager account. Your page and ad account is all hooked up. I'm going to have you go on over here to the 3 horizontal bars on the top left-hand corner. And then you'll see here there are a bunch of different categories. If you ever want to just get to your ad account, you can click on Ads Manager. And we're not diving into this quite yet today. Day one is simply just getting this all set up. And it looks like it's taking a minute to load here, which is okay. Oh, I didn't add my credit card info, so it's not going to pull it up for you, but that's okay. We are focusing on getting our pixel installed. So what I'm going to have you do is go to Events Manager. And so the pixel is just a little piece of code. It's just a little string of letters and numbers that's going to go on your site. Now, like I mentioned, even if you are not a web developer, you don't have one, it's not a problem. Facebook gives you step-by-step picture instructions on how to get this pixel set up on your site. So I'm going to show you whether you have a Shopify, WordPress, WooCommerce, Square, whatever it may be, they've got picture instructions for you. So when we are here, what I'm going to have you focus on is Facebook Pixel Track Website Activities. That is what we want to do. So we're going to click on Get Started. You're going to name it. I'm just calling this Test Pixel. You can enter in your website URL. Like if you don't know what type of site you have, you can enter it in and it should tell you. I'm going to click Continue because I know I personally have a WordPress site. So I'm going to show you guys those instructions. Okay, so now you have three different options. You can either add code using a partner integration. So again, this is if you have like a Squarespace site, a WordPress, Shopify, WooCommerce. This is where they'll give you step-by-step picture instructions. If you are someone who's familiar with coding or getting code on your site, great. You can manually add it yourself. Or if you are lucky enough to have a developer, you can click on this to send the directions to the developer. But anyway, let's talk about how we do it ourselves if we are not someone who can manually add code. Click on the first option. And then here you can see choose a partner. So partner meaning what kind of site do you have? I have WordPress, but let's say you had Wix or let's say you had Shopify. Click on the one that you want and it's going to show you step-by-step instructions. Okay. So you'll just go ahead and click on Next. So it says click download for a zip file that you'll install on your WordPress site. So you'll click download. And literally, you guys, no matter who you have for your website, you're just going to follow along with these instructions step by step. It shows you. So it says step 1, go to your website dashboard, click on plugins, click on add new, follow along, and then just click continue. Next, click upload plugin. Choose your file, this file that we just downloaded. Click install now. Click activate plugin. Then you'll verify the connection. You'll enter in your website URL and it will show green that it's working. And then you are all finished. So I know this can be overwhelming. I know it can be scary thinking about getting your pixel on your site, but it really isn't. As you can see here, there are step-by-step instructions. So let's say, I'm going to click back. Let's say you have a Squarespace site. It's going to look really similar, you guys. So it says skip this step if you've never used Pixel. I've never used Pixel on Squarespace because I don't have a Squarespace site. So then anyway, again, it's just step by step. Go to the home, click marketing, click Facebook Pixel. Next, copy and paste your pixel number. It's really that easy. Many sites make it super easy, you guys. All you have to do is copy and paste. Again, you'll verify your connection. So you'll type in your website, click send test traffic, and then it will tell you that you are good to go. So again, the Pixel is easy to get installed. And there is one little tool that I wanted to share with you that will tell you if your Pixel is installed properly too. So if any point in the time, like in the future, if you go ahead and add things or delete things and you're scared about if you messed things up, you can always download the Facebook Pixel Helper. And it will tell you if everything is ready to go. So it's something that is available for Chrome. So just go ahead, you can download this if you want, and it's going to look like this here. And this is what I use to make sure that all of my client sites are set up and ready to go. So let me show you what it looks like on my website. I don't anticipate any problems with my Pixel, but let's take a look and see what Pixel Helper tells me. Yeah, so there'll just be a button here that says click to add to Chrome. And anyway, so let's go back to my website. You can see that it lit up here with 1. If I drop it on down, 2, 3, that's fine. Great. So it says that my Pixel is ready to go. I've only got green check marks. And if there was an issue, there would be it would be red instead of green. So there you have it. That was today, day 1, super basics, you guys. I just wanted to make sure that your ad account was set up properly. Again, what we did here today was we got Business Manager going. We connected an ad account, and then we also added our payment information in our page. So If you have any issues or concerns, please just drop those comments within our Facebook group and I will get them answered for you. I want to make sure that everything is set up and ready to go because tomorrow we are diving on in. Later this week, we're working on developing your ad plan, inputting your ads, and then also focusing on how it is that you can save money in your ads, because that is really the real kicker, is figuring out how do you stop wasting money and start seeing more results. So we are going to dive into all of that this week. I can't wait to see you inside of the challenge. Make sure to drop a comment inside of our Facebook page, say hi, and let us know what you think of the challenge so far.